5 things I love about 800 Hoptree. The bright kitchen. And I love all the drawers. But that still only counts as one thing, even though I said 2 things. I love the apartment. Legit. It's got its own entrance right here from the exterior. It's got a full kitchen, dining room, living room type combo, and then look at the size of this bedroom. Crazy. Walk-in closet. Actually, it's kind of like a drive-through closet. Super cool. Look at this space. The yard, the view, and the privacy. Look at this. Hi, little buddy. Okay, so this is number 3.5 because this kind of qualifies for the outdoors and the yard and the view. Number 4, solar panels. Did you know that this house costs less than $100 a month on average to heat or cool? That's crazy. Number 5 is the 3-car detached garage along with the extra shed. But wait for it. What is this? It's enormous. If you are looking for a house that offers space, flexibility, and value, you have got to come see this listing at 800 Hoptree.